Have you seen this mini USB vacuum cleaner at the Dollar Tree? $1.25. I believe it comes in 3 different colors. If it's green, blue, and pink. I grabbed the pink. You have 2 buttons on the top here. The first one opens up the chamber to clean it out, and it comes with its own little filter. Now, if you take this off, you want to be careful because it just kind of holds in place there. It's not all that secure, so you just want to make sure that it's on nice and tight when you go to use the vacuum. I have it plugged into USB, and it does have a cord, and I have some glitter here, so let's just see how it picks it up. Right like that. I mean, super quick and easy. And I didn't have to hold the button. I mean, I pushed it, it worked, and that was it. I didn't have to hold it. Now, I have another desk cleaner here that I bought off of Amazon, and let's just compare the two. And I know I paid a whole heck of a lot more for this than I did, of course, the little vacuum. So if I go over that, okay, it picked it up as well. It has these little brushes here, but they both work similar. And this one, and actually this is dropping out some glitter here from what I'm seeing a little bit. This one isn't quite as noisy as this one, just to let you hear those again. This one has a little achy whine to it, if you will. And then this one sounds like it has a much more powerful vacuum to it. But had I not bought this one already, I would be very happy with this little guy. I love the color. I love its performance. So yeah, this worked great for $1.25. Now, I don't know if it, I don't know if you have to leave it plugged in or if it charges, but I plugged it into USB and it worked right away. It doesn't say that it's rechargeable or that it's charging, so maybe we do need to leave it plugged in and leave it corded, which is a little bit of a drawback, where this other one is battery operated. And let's see if I can open this up, maybe, if I remember how. Anyway, I know it's battery operated. There we go. All right, so there's what's inside, and then that's the dirt chamber, and then the battery housing is up here. So 2 batteries that you have to replace versus a cord that you plug in. Yeah, between the 2, I would choose the one that you plug in. Let me know what you think and which one you would choose.